Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm your host Sophia. Today I'm making the famous Disneyland Dole whip. This one is really awesome and so easy to make at home. All you need is frozen pineapple, pineapple juice and vanilla ice cream. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. This is 2 cups of chopped pineapples. Put them in a freezer bag and freeze them completely. I leave it in the freezer a day before using them. I love to use fresh pineapple juice, but you may use store-bought too. Okay, everything is ready. Frozen pineapple, pineapple juice and vanilla ice cream. Just blend them all in your food processor and serve it immediately. Add 2 cups of pineapple juice. And 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Thanks for joining. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe. Bye.